We just had Tropical Storm Nicole roll through. And the only problem we had was it brought in a bunch of leaves. The leaves from these pecan trees that encircle our property.
We had excessive leaf debris in the pool, in this recessed area out the back door, which has a drain to prevent water from flooding in. And even though I can't see it, I know there has to be leaf buildup in these gutters.
I am Danny and welcome to my channel, where my experiences become your adventure. Please subscribe if you hadn't done so already and hit that bell so you'll know when I release my next video.
I am first going to dip out the large piles of leaves from the pool. I will then let the Contreras try to suck out the rest while I do other tasks.
For my next task, I'm going to go ahead and clean out my gutters.
I noticed some bare spots on some boards on the top side of the pergola that will need immediate attention.
So before I finish up the last task, which is cleaning out this drain, which dumps the water out of this recessed area by my back door, I'm gonna net up some more leaves out of the pool.
And those leaves that I'm netting out of the pool, I'm just simply going to throw them on the lawn, and I'll cut them up with a lawnmower a little bit later.
So the next step would be to clear out the drain. But I guess you can say I'm going to kill two birds with one stone. And I'm going to use the air blower to go ahead and clean off all the concrete surfaces. And that way I can use the air blower to clear out my drain.
He's okay.
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next video. I hope this inspires you to walk around your property after a bad storm, because you never know what you'll find, just like I found that paint that needs to be touched up on my pergola. So y'all have a great day.